Welcome in, y'all. So today we are going to be doing a makeover in this front area right here. This is my front yard, and we are going to be getting rid of all of the weeds that are growing by laying down some cardboard and some mulch. So as you can see, we're jumping right in. You know what it is. Peace. Oliver, come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Come. That's a good come. Good come, Oliver. Good come. Good come. Good boy. That's a 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 good boy. Say hey to the people. Say hey. Look. Say hey. Say hey, Oliver. That's a good doggy. That's a good doggy. That's a good doggy. Alright guys, so this is the finished results. The area is all mulched in with cardboard and the red mulch. I think this red brings out the brick, and y'all know red is my favorite color. So yes, I think it looks pretty good, and that cardboard will stop all those weeds from growing, and I'll be able to put more flowers in this area. So thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button. If y'all hear Oliver in the house screaming for his life, like we left him abandoned. He's been inside all of 1 minute. So y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share me with your family and your friends. Check out all my social media posts below. And until I see you guys in the next video, I'm Salon Diva B, in the place to be, y'all. My garden You know what it is. Peace.